how do I create a video ad for Amazon PPC campaigns? Well, nowadays with AI, it's so easy to create video ads. And if your question is, how do I create a video ad? I think I would just step back and zoom out for clarity and understand really who is my audience and what emotion do I want to create with my video ad. The reason why I'm saying that is because video ads is not anymore something new. 5 years ago, it was when we started on Amazon and the sponsor brands option came out. And then we used that sponsor brands product, and that allowed us to create videos. Now, back then it was just like, okay, if you had a video already, you stood out of competition and everyone was clicking on it. And plus it's a dynamic ad. What I'm seeing now, especially in 2020, what is really important when it comes down to creating a video ad is, are you talking to your ideal customer? And if so, someone just asked me a few moments ago for baby products. So what are the emotions that someone who's in the stage of buying a baby product has, and you can persuade them in order to sell your product? So that is going to be top of mind before even creating a video, because it's one thing that your product has all these amazing gadgets and it works like amazingly, and compared to your competitors you're way better. But if you cannot resonate on an emotional level with someone, it's going to be really hard to sell it. We just bought this baby Brisa, and it's an instant, it looks like an espresso machine, honestly, that it makes formula for babies. And honestly, I was just a bit skeptic because it's around $200, and that is definitely on the higher end when it comes down to, should we invest something into like that expensive? But if we're thinking, yeah, it's going to last us at least 1 year, 1.5 years until the baby is going to have formula, then we're thinking, yeah, this investment actually is cheap compared to the how long it's going to last. Now, with that in mind, why am I talking to you about this product is because what I noticed on their end, especially because their product is on the most expensive end compared to all the baby products that I saw that fulfilled the same problem of instant formula maker for baby. What I noticed is that they sold me on the why is it useful, their product, how quickly can I create this formula, literally within 2-3 seconds, the formula is created, right? So total, maybe 5 seconds until I'm taking the bottle, placing it underneath where the formula comes in and the instant formula comes in. And then what I noticed is that they sold me on that. So if I am buying back my time, annually it took at least 5 minutes, in the meantime the baby was fussy, I was stressed, my husband was stressed, so everyone was like, okay, food, we want food now. Versus now it literally takes me 5 seconds or less to create that same outcome. What I bought, it's time. And now you are thinking, yes, you asked me about creating a video ad. What I saw on their end is that they had a lot of video content, both from the brand and both from the influencer side, that showed me exactly that I bought back time. And then I was thinking, all right, even if this is a more expensive product, I'm going to give it a shot. Worst case scenario, in case I really dislike it, I might be sending it back. But this is something that can buy me back time. Hence, I bought the product and I cannot be more happier. So when it comes down to your video ad, make sure that you're tapping into the emotion that your product sells, and it's going to bring you more revenue in.